Looking for reliable IT support in Lehigh Acres? Our expert team is here to solve your IT challenges quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a homeowner or a business owner, we provide top-quality IT consulting services in Lehigh Acres, Florida, tailored to your needs. Our team consists of expert IT professionals offering fast and affordable solutions. We provide convenient service at your home or office, ensuring your IT needs are met efficiently. We specialize in troubleshooting, system repairs, network setup, hardware upgrades, and more. Our comprehensive solutions cover all aspects of IT to keep your systems running smoothly. Our IT consulting company in Lehigh Acres caters to small businesses, offices, and residential clients needing IT support. We ensure every client receives the attention they deserve. Save time and stress. Our IT professionals visit your home or office for all your IT needs, providing on-site solutions that are both effective and convenient. Our affordable IT consulting service in Lehigh Acres, Florida, ensures you get professional solutions without breaking the bank, making quality IT support accessible to everyone. From slow computers to broken networks, we fix it all, quickly and efficiently. Our reliable services ensure minimal downtime and maximum productivity. Every client's needs are unique. We offer customized IT strategies and solutions to fit your specific goals, ensuring personalized service every time. Our team of IT consulting professionals in Lehigh Acres is experienced, dependable, and ready to help.